Hey guys, Jordan from G-Force. If you're doing a Cummins swap, G-Force has you covered on many of the components that you might need for your build. In front of me I have some of those laid out. We have our 6BT mock-up block, which is very nice for fabricating motor mounts, testing fitment of the oil pan, intake, stuff like that. We also have a 4BT version. Attached to our mock-up block is one of our automatic transmission adapters. And these adapter kits are available for some of the popular automatic transmissions that people like to put behind the Cummins, such as the Allison 1000 series, GM series transmissions like a 4L80 or a 700R4, and then also the 5R110 transmission. These kits come with the billet aluminum adapter plate and a flex plate, and then we also have hardware kits available as well. One of the smaller parts that we have for the Cummins engine is this Killer Dowel Pin Retainer. That's a must when you are running the Cummins so that that dowel pin doesn't fall out. Another very popular item that we have is our DIY motor mount kits. So these are nice because you can use these alongside with our mock-up blocks, and you essentially just bolt the plate to the engine or the mock-up, and then you can use these tabs that are included in the kit to fabricate your own motor mounts. They come with polyurethane bushings and the necessary hardware to bolt everything together. So another product that we offer are custom torque converters. So these torque converters are custom stalled to better fit the Cummins power band, right? So a Cummins only revs up to probably 3,000 RPM. So your RPMs or your power band's going to be lower RPMs. So we have these torque converters restalled at a lower stall rate so that they work well with your Cummins swaps behind like a 4L80 or Allison transmission. So this is just a handful of the parts that we offer. If you want to find out more about our Cummins swap components and other performance parts, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.